In this video, we'll be talking about lead-ins and lead-outs within OptimumCNC plasma cutting software and how we can edit them while importing a file into the CAM module, for instance by importing a DXF file, importing a file from the shapes library, or from the CAD window. This is video number 3 in our DXF import series. So first off, I'm going to open the CAM window and I'm going to add some kind of a contour or shape, perhaps a circle with another circle inside of it. Add it to nest, and now we have a shape with two contours, one outer and one inner contour. And these, as you can see, already have two leads. So they have the lead ins and the lead outs that are automatically applied. We can edit these by going into the leads tab right here at the top and by selecting the specific contour that we're interested in. So let's say we start with this outer contour. First off, we can reposition the leads by dragging them with our mouse around the contour. We can change the size by using these buttons right here or by using the scroll wheel on our mouse. And we can also change the actual leads. So for instance, let's say here we have both lead-ins and lead-outs selected. We can select the shape to only have lead-ins for this specific contour, or perhaps no leads at all. So let's leave this at lead-ins and lead-outs and move on to our second contour. So this is an inner contour and it has a fairly small radius. So a special set of leads called lead center is applied to it automatically. And essentially all it does is it starts the lead in from the center of the inner circle. We can also change it to our standard lead 1 if we'd like, or we can keep it as is. Similarly to lead number 1, we can disable the lead outs or perhaps disable leads altogether on this particular contour. Lead 2 is currently reserved, so it doesn't differ in any way from lead 1. However, lead center is a special lead type that can be automatically applied to certain contours that you can be importing into the CAM module. So here, after we have edited the leads and we're satisfied with their positioning and size, we can click the confirm button to import them into our software. Thank you for watching.